Makadini kwese kwamuri. In today's lesson, we want to look at matrix multiplication, but toda kutarisa row and column matrices. Before we get into the lesson, may you please consider subscribing, following, liking, and also sharing so that you can join the MathHub family. Saka lesson redu ranhasi, where we start from, toda kutanga tadiscussa what we did in our earlier lessons, patakatarisa what is called the order of a matrix. So what did we say the order of a matrix is? Takati kana tichikota the order of a matrix, tinoti row by column. So it should be row by column, kana kuti row times column. But panapa we are looking at the number of rows multiplying the number of columns. So for example, we have what is called a square matrix. And so what is a square matrix? A square matrix is such that the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. So an example would be tikati A, B, C, D. As you can see panapa, this is a 2 by 2 matrix. And 2 by 2 iri kutudza kuti we have 2 rows, and marows takati tinomaona sei, marows nde aya. Kureva kuti kana chiti 2 rows, tiri kuti row number 1 riri horizontal iri, and row number 2 also horizontal. So these are the 2 rows which we have. We also have 2 columns, and ma columns takati tinomaona sei, ma columns nde anaya. So these are columns. So we have 1 column which is vertical, column number 2 also vertical. That is a square matrix, a 2 by 2 matrix. When we were defining matrices, I want you to remember kuti takati we have what are called, and this is important for our lesson, row matrices or a row matrix. So a row matrix tunoiona sei, a row matrix, this is a matrix with only 1 row and whatever number of columns. So it's basically a 1 times X matrix, where X is any number of columns. This is a row matrix. X is any number of columns. So what is happening here is we have only 1 row and whatever number of columns. The number of columns, we are representing it with X. An example would be A, B, C, like that. So as you can see, tatima rows hedu should be horizontal. Saka we only have 1 horizontal row. But how many columns do we have? Since columns are vertical, tine 1, 2, 3 columns. Saka ino E, this is a 1 by 3 matrix, as you can see. Saka since we have only 1 row, so this is a row matrix. From this, we also have to consider what are called column matrices. Takuda kutarisa a column matrix. So column matrix inofamba sei. In this case, this is an X by 1 matrix, where X is any number of rows. Saka kana chiti a column matrix, tiri kuti we only have 1 column and whatever number of rows. An example would be A, B, C, like this. As you can see, how many rows do we have? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 rows by how many columns? Only 1. So that's a 3 by 1 matrix. It's called a column matrix because we are having only one column but several rows. That is what is happening there. So we have defined a row matrix. We have defined a column matrix. What should we now do? Zvatakuda kuita, we now want to multiply this row matrix and a column matrix. If you look back at the topic we are looking at, toda kutarisa matrix multiplication, row and column matrices. We want to multiply rows and columns. So how is it done? Let us exemplify with the 2 matrices we have looked at so far, the row matrix and the column matrix. So multiplication yatoda kuita panapa. We want to multiply that row A, B, C by the column A, B, C. That is what we want to multiply. But before we get into that multiplication, there is a nota bene you should know before. This nota bene, take it like this. When we were studying addition and subtraction of matrices, takati for matrices to be able to add and subtract, they should be of the same order. Kureva kuti kana ma matrix akasava of the same order, they cannot be added or subtracted. If you allow me to give you a quick example, tikatora the matrix A, B, C, D, which is a square matrix, a 2 by 2 matrix, and we try to add it with A, B, C, D, E, F like this, and this one is a 3 by 2 matrix. We cannot add these. Hatikwanise kuzviedda izvi. Nepamusana pekuti the order is different. When it comes to multiplication, we can only multiply matrices under this condition if and only if the number of rows in the first matrix is equal to the number of columns in the next. The number of columns in the next. Loosely, this is the principle. Hatikwanise kumultiply ma matrices kana the number of rows in the first matrix is equal to the number of columns in the next. So as you can see panapa, we only have one row in the first matrix. That is a row matrix. When we look at the next matrix, we only have one column because this is a column matrix. So this is the precursor, this is the principle yatinoshanda nayo when we want to multiply matrices. But in order for you to see the applicability of this principle, let us multiply those 2 matrices, that row matrix times that column matrix, so that munoona kuti zvofamba sei. Maybe it will make sense to you intuitively. Kuti nemhaka yei, the number of rows in one matrix should be equal to the number of columns in the next matrix. So coming back to that question, we are multiplying this row matrix times that column matrix. Zvatinoita panapa ndezvekuti we have to make sure that the first element in this first matrix multiplies the first element in the next matrix. So this is a form of correspondence. What do we mean? Tirikuti, it becomes like this. That A multiply this A, and then twarati plus B you multiply that B, like that. Then it's plus C you multiply this C, like this. You see? Then Kanatada is so much. This is equal to A times B, then it's AB, plus B times B, that's B squared, plus C times C, C squared. That will be our answer. But to those who are more inquisitive, they might ask the question, Makai answer yedu yabuda iri a row matrix. Koyaregere kubuda iri column matrix. Taregere kunyora ari ma rows instead. Tanyorere ari ma columns. To answer your question, I am going to prematurely introduce you to a certain principle which we should have introduced in the next lesson. But it's necessary. Zvinoitika hama dzangu ndezvekuti we can know beforehand kuti paticha multiply ma matrix achabuda sei. Like we can take the orders of the matrices we are multiplying, and from those orders infer the order of the product. What do I mean? Ndiri kuti tikatarisa matrix ekutanga inoi, we can see kuti we have one row and times how many columns? 1, 2, 3, like this. We are multiplying this with this other matrix where we have 1, 2, 3, 3 rows times 1 column, like that. Then tadaro manje, what you should know is tikanyora takadaiso order matrix yatiri multiply kwekutanga kunoku times order this matrix. Then we do like this. Toisa ka box aka kari kubata the central numbers. Then we cancel out like this. Answer yatiri kuwana, it's 1 by 1. Kureva kuti our answer should be a 1 by 1 matrix. Our answer should be a 1 by 1 matrix. But ungangavunza kuti why tiri kuti our answer should be a 1 by 1 matrix? But katarisa kunoku zviri kupai an idea yekuti our answer is not a 1 by 1 matrix. Our answer is a 1 by 1 matrix, 1 row and 1 column. Because AB plus B squared plus C squared, we are treating it as a single term. When we replace my matrix with a number, we are going to see what we mean. Saka because our answer should be a 1 by 1 matrix, do answer yata produce panapa. So maybe before I bring confusion to you, let us do a practice question through which you are going to see kuti zviri kufamba sei. This is the practice question we want to consider. Before we go into it, may you please consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and also following. Question yedu iri kuti, find the product 22 minus 45 multiplying minus 37 minus 9 minus 8. We want to multiply those. So tikatarisa pano, tinoda kumultiply 2, 2 minus 4, 5. But as you should have noticed, kana tichinyora a row matrix, tinoisa makoma. You should have noticed this. Kureva kuti, patanyora this row matrix, tangachifangwa kuisa makoma, like this. As kana iri a column matrix, we don't have to do that. Tachifangwa kuisa makoma panapa, and taifunga kuisa zvakare makoma apo like that. I don't think it's faulty kusamaisa, but it's just part of mathematical notation. So do it like that. Saka tanyora our row matrix panapa because we have one row and 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. This is multiplying. This is minus 3, 7, minus 9, minus 8. It's multiplying 1, 2, 3, 4. Saka this is a 4 by 1 matrix, meaning it's a column matrix. So as we can see, in our first matrix, we only have one row. In the multiplying matrix, we only have one column. Kureva kuti they can multiply. The other way of putting it, which is actually more accurate, ndeyekuti in our first row matrix, tine ma columns mangani? Tine 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. What about in this column matrix? Tine ma rows mangani? Tine 1, 2, 3, 4. Saka chiri kufanirwa kumatch up basically a number of elements inside either matrix. Saka we have to add actually a twitch here on this general statement, that if and only if the number of rows in the, we can actually say panaba, the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the next. I think this becomes more accurate. Why tadaro? Because panapa we have how many columns? 1, 2, 3. Then here we have how many rows? 1, 2, 3. Ndo zvatiri kuda kuti zvimatch. Kuitira kuti A awane chekumultiplier, B awane chekumultiplier, C awane chekumultiplier. In other terms, tiri kuti, let us say kuti panapa panga pakati A, B, C multiplying A, B, C, D like that. Izvo zvikwanise kumultiplier because A achano multiplier A unoyo, B o multiplier B uyo, C o multiplier C uno. Then hatichisina chicha multiplier D. Mazona, hatichisina chicha multiplier D. So this is a correction which we should have made. And I'm glad we made it. Saka panapa we have, in this row matrix, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. In this column matrix, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Let us now do our multiplication. But before we do our multiplication, let us predetermine kuti answer yedu inofanirwa kubuda yakaita sei. Mabudiro anoita answer yedu apo. Tati kuti tizive kuti answer inobuda yakaita sei, tinonyora ma-orders. The order of this matrix, it's how many rows panapa? We have only one row, multiplying how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns. This is multiplying. Then panapa, how many rows do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows, multiplying how many columns? Only one column, like this. Then to enda pakati, tesaka box kedu, toka shader like this. Answer yedu should be a 1 by 1. Without it should be a single number. If we do our multiplication under this knowledge, we can see kuti our answer is going to be like this. 2 iyo cha multiply minus 3 plus 2 iyo you multiply 7 plus minus 4 iyo you multiply minus 9 plus 5 you multiply minus 8. Everything chawana chekumecha nacho. This is equal to 2 times minus 3, that's minus 6, plus 2 times 7, 14. Then minus 4 times minus 9, 9, 18, 27, 36. Kureva kuti apo it's going to be plus 36. And 5 times minus 8 and minus 40. Let us solve that. Saka we can pick up, we rearrange like this. 14 plus 36 minus 6 minus 40. And so this will be what? It's actually 14 plus 30. 30 from 36 minus 6 minus 40. What is 14 plus 30? 4 plus 0 and 1 plus 3. So it's 44 minus 40, which is equal to 4, like that. And that will be our answer. But answer yedu tichigona kuinyora iri brackets, tinotenderwa zvakare kungoinyora takati our answer is going to be equal to 4. So that is how it is done. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Ask in the comments or ask directly on my numbers. The next question we want to attend to is going to be a more practical question. Inotiratidza practical implications ezvatiri kuita. So let us get to it. The practice question we want to attend to: a hotel has 8 single rooms and 14 double rooms. The costs per night of single and double rooms are $30 and $50 respectively. Use a matrix method to show how much money the hotel makes per night when full. And before we go into it, please join the family by subscribing, liking, sharing, following and commenting. Maitiro tinoita that question. We are told that a hotel has 8 single rooms and 14 double rooms. Saka let us write the number of rooms as a column matrix. Kurava kuti tinge yakadai so: 8 single rooms and 14 double rooms, like that. Zvobva zvanzi, the costs per night of single and double rooms are $30 and $50 respectively. Saka a single room inoita $30, a double room ichita 50. We write this as a row matrix. Panozonzi use a matrix method to show how much money the hotel makes per night when full. Tatonyora the number of rooms, both single and double, as a column matrix, the amounts as a row matrix. We do what we have to do first. We predetermine kuti answer yedu inofanira kubuda yakaita sei. Panapa, this is how many rows do we have? We have 1 and 2 columns multiplying. Panapa, how many rows do we have? We have 2 rows and a single column. We put our box, cancel out zviri pakati. Our answer should be a 1 by 1. I'm using a different color because this can be done, or actually should be done, on your rough paper. Kunoku we just want to see the working. But when you do exercise, I want you to do this. Ndiratidze this part. Ndoda kuiona kuitira kuti ndione kuti maibata here. But in your examination, munongoita zvatiri in white. Saka panapa, we know that this should be a 1 by 1. Correct, it's 1 row times 1 column. It's a single number. We are going to be multiplying 30 times 8. As should be done. Because 8 single rooms, 1 room ichita $30. Kuti tizive the total amount, it's 30 times 8. And this should add 50 times 14. Like that. What is 30 times 8? 8 times 0, that's 0. 8 times 3, 8, 16, 24. So it's 240 plus. Then what is going to be 50 times 14? So 14 times 50, 0. Up it's 20, carry 2, 5, 6, 7. So it's 700. 240 plus 700, which is equal to 0.4789 $940, of course. That will be our answer. Saka, this is basically what we wanted to learn. You have any questions? The comments, and also my direct contacts. As pertaining to practice, these 2 practice questions serve us sufficiently well. Let us now stay tuned to receive an exercise to test whether we have mastered what we have just learned. This is going to be your exercise taken from New General Mathematics 3 Chapter 7, Exercise 7D. Ndoda kuti muite number 2 yese nenumber 5. Aya ndo ma-questions andinoda kuti muite. Thank you for borrowing me your attention. Thank you for your patience. I hope you learned something and have a nice one.